Happy week, everyone. Trump announced that he delays striking Iran's power plants for 5 days, citing productive talks. Here he posted on his social media. You can see it on X. I have instructed the Department of War to postpone any and all military strikes against Iranian power plants and energy infrastructure for a 5-day period. Let's hope they talk it out and the war will come to an end. Now let's see how the market reacted. Bitcoin had a pump on the news of Trump of postponing the war, but note, this is the most important thing. This squeeze is a position squeeze first and foremost. It is not proof that the correction is over. Positioning squeeze. What that means, it means a lot of people were short. Crash from 75K to 67K were in short position. Those positions got forced out, price moved violently higher, not because fundamentals change overnight, but because short sellers got squeezed. That's my opinion. Don't expect that every bounce is a recovery. Yeah. Gold as well. I wonder how many short positions got liquidated. S&P 500, of course. The only thing that didn't bounce is oil. Actually, I think it dropped here. Today, after the news release, it dropped $110 and dropped today after the news to 92. Yeah, so almost the gap will be filled. You have 5 days, the gap will be filled. So this actually is, you find a position to short Brent, actually is good. If it remains like that, no attacks for 5 days, they should be filled. Don't forget, almost 7% of world's oil supply has been burned, so this eventually will go higher. Even countries start putting measures of energy, small lockdowns, you cannot use your car and so on. So I think Slovenia, they have regulations now that you can put up to $50, 50 liters per day on your car and no more. Defense system dropped on this day after a massive run. Everybody is hoping the war will end. Let's check QQQ from 620 that we're holding here, dropped down to 580. This seems like a distribution and correction move. It moves slowly down. This for me, yeah, this looks like a distribution and we're going lower. Slowly, but we're going lower. Based on my opinion, always do your own research, but high probability this is it. Important news that coming tomorrow, and you should all look into it if you're gonna trade intraday. This is a PMI to see if we are gonna have a recession or not. If it's above 50, indicates industry expansion, which is good. Below indicates contraction, which is bad, and we're gonna have a crash. Yeah, that's it for today. Short talk. Let's see how the market will react this week. And as I said, don't expect every bounce to be a recovery. It could just be a slow distribution to crash lower.